What happens to your body when you crack open that cold can of liquid energy? Is it a harmless boost or a ticking time bomb for your health? Dive into the electrifying world of energy drinks as we uncover the shocking truths behind their allure and their dangers. From caffeine overload to hidden chemicals, this is one story you won't want to miss. Hit subscribe now to unravel the science, the myths, and the secrets of what's really fueling our fast-paced lives. The first sip feels like magic, a surge of alertness, focus, and unstoppable energy coursing through your veins. It's no wonder energy drinks have become the go-to solution for students cramming for exams, athletes pushing their limits, and overworked professionals chasing deadlines. But beneath the vibrant cans and catchy slogans lies a complex concoction designed to hijack your biology. Most energy drinks are loaded with caffeine, taurine, sugar, and B vitamins, ingredients that promise vitality but come with strings attached. Caffeine, the star player, acts as a central nervous system stimulant, blocking adenosine receptors in the brain to keep drowsiness at bay. This creates the illusion of boundless energy, but it also triggers a cascade of hormonal responses, including spikes in adrenaline and cortisol levels. While these effects might seem beneficial in short bursts, prolonged exposure can lead to jitteriness, anxiety, and even heart palpitations. And let's not forget about sugar, the silent accomplice. A single can often contains more sugar than recommended daily intake, delivering a quick high followed by an inevitable crash. This roller coaster effect leaves your body craving another hit, creating a cycle of dependency that's hard to break. But there's more to the story than just caffeine and sugar. Taurine, often touted as a performance enhancer, plays a mysterious role in how our bodies metabolize energy. Found naturally in meat and seafood, taurine helps regulate water and mineral balance within cells. In energy drinks, however, its concentrated form raises questions about long-term effects on cardiovascular health. Additives like guarana, ginseng, and synthetic vitamins further complicate the equation, blending natural extracts with laboratory-engineered compounds. Each ingredient interacts differently with individual metabolisms, making it nearly impossible to predict who will thrive or suffer from regular consumption. Yet despite growing concerns, the industry continues to boom, fueled by aggressive marketing campaigns targeting younger audiences with promises of enhanced performance and endless stamina. The allure is undeniable, but so too are the risks lurking beneath the surface. As millions reach for their favorite energy drink each day, scientists scramble to understand the full impact of these beverages on human physiology. Studies reveal alarming trends. Excessive consumption has been linked to increased blood pressure, irregular heartbeats, and even seizures in extreme cases. For those predisposed to conditions like hypertension or diabetes, the stakes are even higher. Consider Sarah, a fictional yet representative example of countless real-life stories. As a college student juggling classes, part-time work, and social commitments, she relied heavily on energy drinks to power through her hectic schedule. At first, they seemed miraculous, helping her stay awake during late-night study sessions and early morning lectures. Over time, though, she began experiencing headaches, insomnia, and unexplained fatigue. Her once sharp focus dulled, replaced by irritability and mood swings. Doctors eventually diagnosed her with chronic dehydration and adrenal exhaustion, conditions exacerbated by years of energy drink abuse. Stories like hers highlight the fine line between convenience and consequence, reminding us that every choice comes with trade-offs. Beyond personal anecdotes, larger societal implications demand attention. Emergency room visits related to energy drink consumption have surged in recent years, prompting calls for stricter regulations and clearer labeling requirements. Some countries have already taken action, banning certain brands or limiting sales to minors. Meanwhile, advocacy groups push for greater transparency from manufacturers, urging them to disclose potential side effects alongside flashy advertisements. Despite these efforts, misinformation persists, perpetuated by clever branding and widespread availability. Social media influencers promote energy drinks as lifestyle essentials, while celebrities endorse them as tools for success. Against this backdrop, consumers must navigate a minefield of conflicting information, deciding for themselves whether the benefits outweigh the risks. The challenge lies not only in understanding the science, but also in resisting the cultural narrative that equates productivity with perpetual motion. So where does this leave us? Should we banish energy drinks altogether, or can they coexist responsibly within our diets? The answer lies somewhere in between. Moderation is key, as with any indulgence. Occasional use under controlled circumstances may provide temporary benefits without causing lasting harm. However, relying on energy drinks as a crutch for poor sleep habits or inadequate nutrition sets the stage for disaster. Instead, experts recommend prioritizing restorative practices such as proper hydration, balanced meals, and consistent sleep schedules. Herbal teas, green smoothies, and nutrient-rich snacks offer healthier alternatives for sustaining energy throughout the day. When cravings strike, opt for low-sugar versions or homemade recipes tailored to suit individual needs. Ultimately, the future of energy drinks depends on both consumer awareness and corporate accountability. Companies must take responsibility for educating buyers about safe usage guidelines and potential hazards. Likewise, individuals must approach these products with caution, recognizing their limitations and vulnerabilities. By fostering dialogue around these issues, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions that align with our values and goals. Remember, true vitality stems not from artificial boosts, but from nurturing our bodies holistically. So before reaching for that next can, pause and reflect. Are you fueling your body or masking deeper problems? Choose wisely, because the choices you make today shape the person you'll be tomorrow. If you found this deep dive into energy drinks eye-opening, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join our community of curious minds exploring the science behind everyday choices. Together, we can uncover the truth and live smarter, healthier lives.